guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel, and today we're going to be doing a review on the Bay Free Thickening Eyebrow Gel. I can't read it, but yeah, here it is. This is a review, but actually I've been using this for quite some time now, and I think that this product is a game changer for me. I mean, seriously, meron siyang hiwagang ginagawa sa eyebrows ko na hindi ko maintindihan kung paano nangyayari. I know that this has fibers in it, pero kasi yung mga experiences ko, in the past, yung mga um, mascaras na may fibers sa kanila, parang they're not doing anything exactly to thicken my eyelashes. If you can remember way back then, yung nauso yung, I think, Majolica Majorca. If some of you may be familiar with that brand na nauso dati. I think the brand was from Japan. Those are the ones yung unang-una kong na-experience na may fiber yung mascara. And nung pinurchase ko yun and yung ginamit ko yun dati, that didn't exactly did anything major for my eyelashes. Medyo irritating siya kasi sometimes yung mga fibers niya would stick out and would poke my eyeballs. So, medyo hindi siya comfortable to wear. So, parang hindi ko rin siya masyadong nagamit at that time. But this one, I'm telling you, I was skeptic at first kasi nga napakamura niya to begin with. And I wasn't expecting that much kasi I've tried eyebrow gel before, eyebrow mascara before, but it really didn't do anything. But this one, I'm gonna show you how great of a product this is. Very affordable and it does perform. So nakita nyo naman, di ba? Ayan. I'm gonna show you. Yung eyebrows ko, hindi siya pantay. Medyo mas konti yung buhok ko dito. Di ba? So mas makapal yung buhok ko dito. And pag titignan mo siya, nakahiga talaga siya. Nakahiga. So, when you look at the camera, parang hindi siya pantay. Parang hindi pantay eyebrows ko. So, I'm gonna show you now what this can do. It can hold your eyebrows upright and thicken it. I don't know what magic this has. So, lagay ko na and I'll show you what I mean, okay? So, this is before the eyebrow mascara. Okay. And this is in the shade of ash brown. Mas nagustuhan ko yung ash brown kaysa sa blonde. The blonde is not doing anything for me. So, yan. Ang ginagawa ko is against the eyelashes muna to coat the yung ilalim ng mga eyebrow hairs. Yan. And then I comb it up and then into place. And then nagko-concentrate ako dun sa sparse parts, yung mga parts na medyo unti yung buhok. Like for this side, mas unti yung buhok ko dito compared to the other side. So, ayan. Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see the difference that it did? Kanina, parang wala akong eyelashes dito. Parang ngayon lumalabas na siya naman. Parang mas makapal na eyelashes ko na eyelashes. Pero parang mas makapal na eyebrow hairs ko dito kaysa dito, di ba? Kasi kanina before applying, mm, di ba, halatang halata mo na mas onti yung eyebrow hairs ko dito kaysa dito. So now, look at that. Amazing, di ba? And it's so easy to use. Ganun lang. And you can go over it again and again. And it would still be okay. Hindi niya madidisrupt yung ginawa mo ng una. Ayan. Diba? How amazing is that? Ang galing, ang galing. I've never encountered something like this before na masyado niyang ginalingan. I never have, parang, suddenly I have so much hair in my eyebrows. Like, seriously, what the hell? Very kabila. Make sure lang to concentrate and go over and over to the parts na feeling nyo is medyo sparse. Tignan nyo. Diba? Sobrang ganda niya. Sobrang galing. And if you go over it a couple of times, it just gets better. Look at that. Tignan nyo yan. Oh, di ba? Umantay na siya. Wala pang eyebrow powder yan. But usually, I go over it with eyebrow powder then. And wow. Like, seriously, I can go out just looking like this. Kahit walang powder. But, you know, para mas lalong maging pulido siya. Nilagyan ko siya ng eyebrow powder just to shape it more a bit. But, diba? Kumpara mo naman doon sa kanina. Oh, diba? Ngayon, mukha na siyang pantay. So, for me, this is just a game-changing product. I used to be, ang dami kong tinry na eyebrow products before, techniques, and this sa taong pawisin at oily skin, this stays. At ang maganda pa sa kanya, this is one thing that I really enjoy the most, is that it comes off easily with soap and water. With water, hindi siya ganun kadali matanggal. As in, pwede mo siyang ipang swimming. Maganda sa kanya is, if i-ano mo siya ng facial wash mo, hindi mo na kailangan ng remover or anything like that. You don't have to go through it with micellar water even. Matatanggal na siya ng soap and water. Kailangan lang may soap. Yun ang gusto ko kasi hindi na ako, I mean, matipid siya. Matipid siya without, kasi before, if I wanted some, my eyebrows to stay in place talaga, na talagang subok na hindi siya magagalaw, is I use the eyelash glue technique. Yung eyelash glue, yung usually yung pinangkakapit mo sa false eyelashes mo, ibabrush mo siya dyan sa mga hairs para kumapit yung eyebrow hairs mo pataas na ganyan. So, that is a foolproof technique if really gusto mo mag-swimming, ganyan. Or meron ka talagang event na pupuntahan na pangmatagalan. And if you want something na plakak yung eyebrows mo, that is the technique that I would recommend to you. Pero if everyday lang, that's not very hard to use. Napakadali niyang gamitin and napakadaling tanggalin. I would recommend this, and I think I found this is my favorite eyebrow product so far. So far, I will do a separate video of my, I think, top 3 or 4 eyebrow products that I use. And this is so far on my top 1. Kasi ang galing niya, diba? Look at that. So natural. I'll just go over this lang with my by Ellie Brow Dust. This is in the shade, nakalimutan ko na yung shade, but actually, yun siya. So, yun lang yung pang igaganya ko sa kanila. Ano yung kulay yung ilalim? Para maging pulido ng konti. Diba? Black. So, ganun-ganun lang. And, we're ready to go. Diba? So, sa mga hindi pa, this has been a viral product for quite some time na. So, yung mga hindi pa nakakatry siya, i-try nyo, murang-mura lang siya, and hindi kayo magsisisi. Yan. So, this has been my review for the Bay Free Eyebrow, Thickening Eyebrow Gel. So, wag niyo ubusin ha. Because this will be a staple in my makeup kit for quite some time, I think. So, as usual, this has been, I mean, if you like this video and if you want me to review more products, please do follow me, subscribe, follow me on my social media. Ayan, ito. And I'll see you on the next video. This has been your Curious Cat, Curious Zealot, Angeli, signing off. Bye-bye.